From the kids' point of view, they can have whatever they want. The Lido is brilliant for that. If you want to have a burger, you can have a burger. I've had a burrito, so you can just pick whatever you want and the kids can choose whatever they want to eat.
Oh, we're in.
The staff are really caring and the ratios of staff and children are really high. There's lots of different toys, lots of different things to play with, lots to keep them entertained. We've had a mobile phone, so if there's any problems whatsoever, the staff can phone us anywhere we are on the ship and let us know. Italian. I quite fancy that. Let's come back for this, definitely.
Yeah. I fancy a steak. This looks good.
Do you reckon they'll have anything vegetarian?
I'm sure they will. Come on, let's go find out.
All right then. All right. We went out for dinner together, which was really nice. And when we went to the steakhouse, which I was a bit dubious about, the food was incredible for vegetarians, and Rick got to really enjoy what he likes to eat.
Biggest steak in the world.
What's really impressed me about the vegetarian food, it's really innovative and really tasty, yeah.
Bon appetit.
The food, I think, is healthier than at home because you can just help yourself to as much salad as you want, and it's really nice salad.
You can.
And the
On the
vegetarian
other hand, you can
stuff-
help yourself to as many burgers and chips and add-ons.
Yes,
you like.